Place Coca Cola on eggshells, and you'll be amazed by the result. Ever since I started using this mixture, I've never bought this from the store again. And for this tip, we'll need some eggshells. Here I have about 5 eggshells. Take the shells and place them in a plastic bag. Then tie it up and secure it very well. Once that's done, simply crush them using a hammer. We're doing this because we only need the powder from the eggshells. After crushing thoroughly, use a sieve to extract all the crushed shells. It's important to crush it very well so we achieve the desired result. Next, let's go ahead and add about 7 ounces of Coca Cola. About a cup. Then, we'll need dish soap. You can use whatever brand you got at home. Add the same amount, about 7 ounces. To finish, add the same amount of water. Just tap water at room temperature. Now just mix everything very well. Once that's done, our mixture is ready. What we'll do now is transfer the entire solution to an empty container. I'm using this old dish soap bottle because it will make the application much easier. And I imagine at this point you're curious, wondering what this is for. What we've just prepared is a wonderful cleaner for metals and aluminum pieces. That's right. With this powerful product, you can clean and polish all the metal objects in your house. Take a look, for example. Let's say you have a burned, dirty, and stained pan like this one at home. Look how dirty it is, even with burnt grease. And anyone who's tried to remove this knows how hard it is. So here's what you do. Apply our product directly onto the item you want to clean. Then just scrub it with a sponge, using nothing else but our mixture. And notice that without much effort, we can remove all the burned residue. Look at all that dirt coming off. This works because eggshells and Coca Cola are extremely abrasive. That's why we achieved this amazing result. And the best part is that, in addition to cleaning, this mixture can also restore shine to your items, bringing back all their original luster. Check out what an incredible result. It almost looks like a brand new pan. That's why it's totally worth trying this at home. You'll definitely love the result. This was our tip for today, and I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.